When I was diagnosed with prostate cancer, all I could think of was my family. Who would take care of them if I couldn't? Would I survive? We started searching for answers, and that's when we found brachytherapy. The doctor confirmed it was the right option for me. It felt like a chance to fight back. Today, I'm here with my family, almost fully recovered and feeling stronger. Now, every moment feels like a gift.